In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Discord password. We're going to use the password you've already saved in Google Chrome, so this is for recovering your own credentials on your own device. If you haven't saved the password before, it won't appear here. Start by opening Google Chrome on the computer where you're either signed into Discord or where you previously saved the login. Make sure you're in the correct Chrome profile if you use more than one. Saved passwords are tied to the profile that saved them. Next, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots to open the menu. From there, open Settings. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Passwords and Autofill. Depending on your version of Chrome, it might appear as Autofill and Passwords, but the wording will be similar. This is where Chrome organizes saved logins, payment methods, and form data. Now select Google Password Manager. This opens a dedicated view of your saved passwords. You'll see a list of websites and apps for which Chrome has stored credentials. Use the search box at the top and type Discord to quickly filter the results, or scroll until you find the Discord entry. Click the Discord entry to open its details. You should see your saved username or email and a row of dots hiding the password. To reveal it, click the eye icon or the Show Password option. At this point, Chrome will ask you to verify it's really you. On Windows or Mac OS, that usually means entering your computer's login password or using your fingerprint or face unlock. This step is normal and is there to protect your account. Once you've authenticated, the password will become visible. You can copy it carefully if you need to paste it somewhere, then click the eye icon again or navigate away to hide it. When you're finished, close the Password Manager tab and consider locking your screen if you're stepping away. A few quick tips to avoid confusion. If Discord doesn't appear in the list, it likely means the password was never saved in this Chrome profile, or it was saved in a different browser or device. Also, the labels and layout in Chrome can change slightly with updates, but the path stays consistent. Open the menu, go to Settings, then Passwords and Autofill, and open Google Password Manager. Finally, keep your credentials private. Only reveal or copy passwords on devices you trust, and avoid doing this on shared or public computers.